So, in the second video, let us continue with this chapter, page number 90. Let's recall question number 1. What processes occur during the change of state of matter? Second question, what happens when water is taken in a bowl and heated? So we have already been studying about the changes of state of matter. For example, water. Okay, so ice changes into water. Water, when heated, turns into vapor. And when you remove heat, again the reverse changes occur. That is, water vapor turns to water, and water again solidifies into ice. Okay, so the process of formation of vapor from a liquid is called evaporation. Drying of clothes, formation of salt from seawater are possible due to evaporation. We have studied some processes that are part of the water cycle. Which are these processes? Do the original properties of water change during those processes? Previously, we have learned about the processes of dissolving, boiling, melting. These are all examples of physical change. Okay, so the original properties of the water do not change whether it becomes a solid, liquid, or a gaseous state. Okay, so now use your brain power. Which of the following are physical changes and which are chemical? Making a table from wood, burning wood, breaking of a glass object, ripening of a tomato, and rusting of iron. So here we know making of a table from wood is a physical change, burning of wood, chemical change, breaking of glass, physical change, and irreversible also, ripening of a tomato, natural and irreversible, rusting of iron, chemical and natural. So some of the above, so you can classify them as natural and man-made also. Now, try this. Apparatus, evaporating dish, sugar, burner, tripod stand, etc. Procedure. Take some sugar in an evaporating dish. Place the dish on a tripod and heat it. Observe the changes taking place in the sugar. Stop heating when a blackish substance is seen at the bottom of the evaporating dish. What kind of change does the above process bring about? So, let's see. You can observe and tell whether it's a physical, natural, chemical, or irreversible. So, you can study about it. Now, corrosion. Let's see what do you mean by corrosion. When an iron article rusts, a reddish brown layer forms on it. A greenish layer is seen to form on copper article. This process is called as corrosion of metals. So you can just mark that definition there. Things become weak due to corrosion. Corrosion is caused by oxygen, moisture, vapors of chemicals in the air. Now always remember, while classifying changes, we take into account only one criterion at a time. However, a number of different criteria can be applied to the same change. Now, do you know? Iron articles are given a thin coat of zinc to prevent corrosion. This is called as galvanization. Copper and brass articles are coated with tin. This is called tinning. In this age of technology, a new process called powder coating has been developed. Coats of various colors are applied on the metals like iron and aluminium, and they prevent the corrosion of the metals. So I hope you have followed this concept of corrosion and the whole lesson. Now let us go to the concept map. Okay, so the concept map, you can see in the middle the type of changes. So we can classify the changes as man-made and natural changes, useful and harmful changes, fast and slow changes, physical and chemical changes, periodic and non-periodic changes, reversible and irreversible changes. Okay, so you learn this concept map, it is easier for you. Now let us solve the exercise. Okay, so here various questions are given, and I have sent you the answers also. Okay, so you can take screenshots of the different pages. Now here, first question is distinguish between physical and chemical change. Second is periodic change and non-periodic change. Third is natural and man-made changes. Okay, so in this order, how they have written in the notebook, you can take the screenshot of the same pages. Yeah. Okay, we'll go to the next page. Yeah, take a screenshot. Okay, we'll go to the next question now. It is give reasons. Okay, so 5 give reasons are given there. Again, you can just take a screenshot of the same. Next page also, take the screenshot. Yeah, next page. Now the third question there is, what will you take into account while identifying the following? Okay, so you just take the screenshot of that.